On-page SEO. Want your website to rank higher on Google? You don't need tricks. The secret is on-page SEO. Let's break it down. What is on-page SEO? The answer lies in understanding the basic first. On-page SEO means optimizing elements on your website, so search engine understand your content and rank it higher. Key elements of on-page SEO. Here is the breakdown of these elements. Title tags, meta description, headings, URL structure, internal links, keyword usage, image optimization. Title tag like Best Cake Shop near me tells Google what your page is about, and it attracts users to click. The meta description is the short summary that appears below the title in search results. It doesn't directly affect rankings, but increases click-through rate. Together, title tag plus meta description act like your digital business card in Google search results. Heading and keyword. Headings give structure, keyword gives relevance. Together, they help both Google and readers understand your page. URL and internal link. URL improve clarity and search visibility, while internal link build connections across your site. Optimized image plus clear alt text equals better SEO, faster site, and accessibility. Proper on-page SEO helps your website rank higher, attract more visitors, and improve user experience. Start optimizing your website today and see your traffic grow with on-page SEO. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips.